So when we wrote glue, the glue's got it's a mnemonic, so there's G, L, U, and E. The U was unique. What's unique about you? What is it about you that other people like and enjoy? How do you, I sort of argued people in a way, in a sort of hybrid world or a confusing way, you need to lean in a little bit into that unusual self. Because I think people are attracted to that. Certainly in my career, the people I've enjoyed working most for have been a little bit extraordinary. There's been something about them that's, made you go a little bit further and work a little harder and challenge yourself a little bit more to respond to. So I think someone is really important. Again, my fear with this and my fear with Copilot managing programs, have you really identified someone? We used to do big onboarding exercises for a program where we would meet the program director and whoever that was, that was a sort of figurehead for what we do. I think those roles, I think they're going to have to find elbow room to direct when much of the process can certainly be done by by the intelligence system better than them.